Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to connect your Google Calendar to Gohighlevel. Make sure to stick around until the very last step to ensure everything. So when you open the Gohighlevel app, you'll land on your agency dashboard. First things first, you want to switch to the sub account where you want to add the Google Calendar. I'm going to pick this one for example. Next, head to the bottom left to the screen and click on settings. From there, go to integrations and you'll see an option to connect your Google account. Click on sign in with Google. Select an account you want to use and click allow once that's done. Your Google account will be successfully connected. Now what you need to do is to go to my stuff and select the account you want to add the calendar to. Let's choose this one. Click on edit and scroll to user calendar configuration. Once your Google account is connected to that specific account, your Google Calendar should show up right there. Now, in my case, it does not show because I don't have a Google Calendar set up, but if you do, it will appear here. And that is it. You have now successfully connected your Google Calendar to Gohighlevel. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks.